Hello. Let me continue the introduction of this course. There will be homework assignments. There will be 5 or more homework assignments. I am not sure how many there will be, but at least 5. And the homework assignments are mainly for data analysis exercises. So you will get some data, uh, fake data or real data, and you have to write a code, use a statistical software to analyze the data and get the results, and type the results and put your interpretation there and submit via email. Of course, there is no offline submission possible, and you have to type your answers in a PDF or Word format. So and send me the answer by email, and it will be graded by the grading assistant GA Lilu, and I will tell the GA to be very generous in grading, right? But still the GA has to differentiate some markdown, some grades. And here is an important tip. Do not give the GA an obvious excuse to mark down. For example, if you submit late, then it's a good excuse to -1 point. Or if you do not answer a whole question, it's a good reason to put -1 there. So like that, you are going to get a low grade in the end. So as long as you try all the questions with reasonable effort, then you should be fine. Uh, that's my plan. What I plan. And also typing. So handwriting and handwriting a picture is not acceptable. What you have to type your results on a Microsoft Word. That's I believe that's your most maybe your word processor. So type your answers on Word and like make a table and you make a graph. So this is a writing intensive course, and writing training includes these kind of exercises. You have to make yourself familiar with typing on Word and making it more professional and more formal, and you need to know how to present statistics results and how to handle like graphs on those format. So that's the point of these homework assignments. And I do not allow co-work uh, because it's writing practice. Main point is writing. So co-working means nothing. Copying and paste does not help at all. So co-work is not allowed. And exams. Midterms, I plan 2 exams, midterm and final, and I put schedules like this. So just I choose the date after the break, and final exam near the end of the final exam period. I choose Friday because you may want to travel on Saturday. So the final exam is on Friday. By the way, uh, it does not matter that much because the exams will be take home. So it's not real time exam, but I am going to post exam questions on Blackboard, and then you have 24 hours, or if you wish, I am willing to extend the time, but it won't help much. So 24 hours should be enough. Uh, and within 24 hours, you have to work on the questions and type your answers and make and submit, return the answer within 24 hours. So something like this, like this is I'm going to post the question on Thursday morning, and you need to return your answer by Friday noon. Like what I expect. I have done this last year, and it worked okay. So uh, I believe it should be fine. If you have any suggestions or if you see any potential problems with the schedule or with this format, let me know. Uh, Everything is flexible. And grading is based on 30% homework, 30% midterm, 40% final. Uh, and my main theme is that I'll be very generous in grading. Like, don't worry too much about so I will be more generous than the standard distribution. There are some guidelines in grade distribution, but they are just guidelines, so I will be more generous than that. So in that sense, you cannot complain. Um, and in this course, it's a small course like with 25 students, and it's writing intensive course. It's not like statistics like where you do analytical problems and uh, like it's clear whether you are correct or not. But in this course, it's more writing, and you have to practice how to write, how to present statistics results, how to handle statistics software. So it's more like so unclear how who is doing better than another. So I try to be generous. That's the reason why I will be generous. So just show me a reasonable amount of effort and respect to me, then that should be enough, I believe. And like whenever you need help, let me know. I'm always open to help you. So if you worry about your grade, talk to me. That's what I suggest. And most importantly, I will be very generous in grading, but I will be very strict in cheating, in preventing cheating. So I take pride in catching cheating. So I have caught a lot of cheatings in the past, like say in 2019, I filed 2 reports of academic integrity violations. So these reports are submitted to the Office of Undergraduate Education. So I caught 2 students cheating. So they reported to this office. I did it once in 18, 3 students in 17, 2 students in 16. I have done like before like 15 and 14. I have done the same thing. Just I do not track the numbers. So in 2020, unfortunately, I could not catch any cheating because everything became online. So it was hard to catch the cheating. So, but anyhow, the point is, I'm very serious. I'm very strict, and I enjoy this. I enjoy punishing those students, those bad students. So, and any academic dishonesty will result in a failing grade, right? You know what is cheating, right? And core is not allowed. Core is not allowed. You have to do everything by yourself. And when you need a help, you have to get the help from me or the assistant, GA assistant. So take it seriously. I am not. I take it really seriously. I will be very harsh once if you are caught. So by the way, failing grade is just the starting point. You may be like if you are reported to this office may impose additional punishment on you, like academic probation, or or like you may be kicked out from the university, or what I like in the past many years ago, I had a I had a regular meeting with a student once every month because that student was being punished. So the punishment was to see the advisor once a month. The advisor was me. So if you that could be a punishment, something like that. So simply don't cheat. So it's so obvious and needless to say why. Don't try me. Don't test me. And I, as I said, this course is designed as a writing intensive course. And actually, I have not taught this course for several years. The last time I taught this course was in 2013, so like 8 years ago. So for the like so when I had to redesign the course because it's been a while, or also because it's now fully online. So I thought about the writing component of the course, and I decided to focus on these two main flavors. First, I as you see, I'm not a native English writer, so I cannot teach you how to make a beautiful writing. That's not my expertise, and I cannot do that. But what I can teach you is technical writing on statistics results. So it's an econometrics course. So the main topic as a main theme is statistic methods used in economics. So I will train you how to write, how to present results in a table, uh, in a formal format, and how to explain statistical models, like how to type mathematical equations, how to make a graph, how to put citations, how to put footnotes. So these kind of things are what I plan to train you. And that was the first component. And second component is it's uh, a little bit different. It's about writing codes. So writing a program, handling a statistical software. So when you have data, of course, you will need a program to handle the data. And handling the program is not like Microsoft Excel. Excel is easy. You just click, 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 then you get results. But more advanced softwares need commands. You have to type commands on the program. And typing the commands is not, uh, it's, so you have to save the commands with like in one program. So the codes consists of many different commands, a sequence of commands, and you save the codes and edit them later and share the codes with others. That's how the statistics programs are developed. And how to write a code is important. First, you have to you need to know how to correctly write, how to correctly use the commands, but also you have to be kind to the readers. So the code is a communication between you and the computer, but also you may share the codes with others. Then others may update, edit your codes. So for these potential editors, you need to make your codes more uh, briefly and neatly. So, and we will be using Stata as a program. So I'm going to demonstrate how to write a code on Stata, and these things uh, will be will be contained in homework assignments. So there is no term paper, or there is no like final essay, but small pieces of homework assignments will be better suited to learn these two components. That's my plan and design of this course. Okay, I'm going to stop the video here and continue in the next one.